Hello everyone. So today I will offer general tarot card reading. Like I will pick up 3 cards for you all and I will share the message behind those cards. Only pick which resonates with you. Because it's a general reading and it is for all. So you have to only pick those messages that feels right for you. So I will pick 3 cards for you from my tarot card. Let's see what message you have today. Okay, so I have picked up 3 cards. Now let's see. What messages the divine being has for you. First is this the Knight of Cups. Oh, I got a very romantic energy from here. And the second is the King of Pentacles, a very struggling one. And the third is, okay, so it's upside down. I will take the message like this itself. It's 10 of Swords, very kind of isolated feeling. So from these 3 messages I will share one by one what this means. Okay, so this combination of 3 cards is very, very powerful. Let me first tell you. The first one is the Knight of Cups. Okay, so the Knight of Cups means a very romantic offer in a very emotional movement. So, which means here this card speaks about a love confession, like someone will express their feelings to you finally, or you might express your feelings to someone. It also means an emotional proposal, or sometimes it can also means an apology, because if someone is doing something to you and they haven't yet realized, maybe it's the time that they will realize now. It also means creative inspiration and a soft romantic energy entering your life. So this card particular means that someone is coming forward with a lots of beautiful emotions and you are being guided to express what you are exactly feeling. So this card usually says that follow what feels emotionally true. It must be a very honest person that will enter your life. Okay, so the second one is this Knight of Pentacles. So the Knight of Pentacles means slow but very, very solid progress. So this is the most reliable knight in the deck. You know, in the knight deck, in the knight cards, this card is one of the most strongest card because it represents consistency. Finally your hard work will be paying off, and slow but you will get a very steady results, and also loyalty, and a person, maybe someone who will might be taking commitment really, really serious. So the message is something which I have been getting is that something you have been working on silently will get its fruit. So a connection will be very, very stable. Progress may feel slow but it will be very secure. So this card usually tells you that be patient, but what's building now will last forever. Okay, so reverse, this is a reverse card. Okay, so 10 of Swords, which means truth coming out. In upright position, this card is about deception, but reverse, it means secrets will be revealed finally. Someone will be getting caught very, very soon. Guilt will be coming to the surface and the truth will be cleared out without any confusion. So here it also means that a self deception will be ended here. So it equally means that a hidden truth is surfacing and someone may be confessing it to you, and the illusion whatever you will be holding on towards that person will finally break. So it says that what was hidden cannot stay hidden anymore. It has to reveal the truth to you. It has to reveal the truth to you. So combined message from all of the three which I can get is scenario one is this love situation, like someone who has been slow but steady may finally express feelings and the truth will come out. And in two, career and life, a creative opportunity will arise very soon, and a slow steady work will definitely pay off for you, and hidden workplace politics or misunderstanding will definitely get cleared. So overall, in this energy it says that nothing will be hidden for you, and in your career and in your life and in your overall energy, it will be filled with emotion plus practical effort plus truth revelation. So something heartfelt is coming in, something solid is building, and something hidden will be revealed to you very soon. So this was the overall message I got from this card, and it's very beautiful and very unique. So I hope you have a good day, and please resonate what it belongs to you. Thank you.